Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. It's great to have you guys back today, except for the ones that troll my tattoos. You guys aren't welcome. Welcome back to my channel. This here's my little man. My little man. Look at that face. Look at all that face. Today what we're going to do is we're going to review some like drugstore pantyhose. I'm going to be reviewing Secrets in this beige color and then Secrets pantyhose in this black color and see what kind of quality they have. I've worn these maybe 2 times before and then this 1 time before. So I'm also today wearing some shorts because you guys said you'd like me to style some pantyhose and shorts. Oh. So I'm doing kind of like a 2-in-1. You guys have asked for a review on some drugstore pantyhose and then also a review for jean shorts. And you're gonna go away, my friend. Go away, go away, go away. Okay, so I have the jean shorts on right now and you know, they look okay with the pantyhose, but look, there's a rip. I put these on, poor quality, poor quality. I think, like I said, this is the 3rd time I wore these pantyhose and they've already ripped. So not very good, not a fan. But here are my jean shorts. They look really nice, the legs with the pantyhose. I wouldn't wear them where you could see the pantyhose. Like personally, I would tuck them under just because I don't really like the look of the pantyhose being showed. I do know though that some of you really find that attractive. But here we go. Shorts and the first pair of pantyhose. So what do you guys think? Is it a look that you enjoy? I mean, it's not a bad look. Now let's talk about the quality of these pantyhose. They aren't very soft, but they're okay. The band at times rides down a little bit, so you have to constantly kind of readjust. They do have a reinforced toe, as you can see. And yeah, they're not as soft. The quality isn't as good. And like I showed you earlier, I ripped them while putting them on. Not good. No bueno. So now what I'm going to do is style them with some black pantyhose to see if it looks better with this outfit. I have like this fun sort of like psychedelic Mars crop top that is see-through. So I have like a beige mesh lace sort of bra underneath, which looks good. And I would probably just wear like a cute little sandal with this outfit. So I'll be right back. I am back with the black pantyhose and my little sidekick. So here we go. We've got the black Hanes. Show you that they're on and very sweet, very cute. So yeah, showing you the band. These are the Secrets black pantyhose. I don't know. The waistband isn't amazing, But anyhow, we'll just tuck these back in because actually, we'll just leave it for the video, but I wouldn't wear them. I wouldn't wear them up this high. Or maybe you guys think it looks good all the way up. You let me know. So this is the look with the black. Can you go down? Thank you. So this is the look with the black. Really nice. Definitely a little bit better than, in my opinion, the beige. Quality, unfortunately, the same. So there are a few little tiny runs that you can see. And like I said, I've only wore them maybe one other time. So not great quality. They do run up and down, a few runs here. They feel like they could rip, and I mean the other ones did rip. Reinforced toe. All in all, I'm a bigger fan of the black Secrets pantyhose and in comparison to the beige. I don't know. I'm not a super big fan of jean shorts and pantyhose. I really like regular shorts and pantyhose, like a cotton or something else like that. Even a leather short is kind of hot with a pantyhose, but jean shorts, not so much. And then, you know, these drugstore brands, I think that they would do okay in a pinch, but they're not overly comfortable to wear even for a little bit. So I wouldn't want to wear it all day or out or anything like that. Let me know what you think in the comments, like always. And thank you for viewing my video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.